So here we have our data from our incline lab. It's our position and our time. So we have our position time graph here. We want to really kind of look at the relationship between the position and time for this particular lab because it's a little bit different from that in our constant velocity lab. Now a lot of times it's really tempting to look at this and say, oh, I just have really bad data and this is a linear fit, and just kind of chalk this up to human error. But really this is not linear. If we look at this data, there is a definite curve to it. There's a neat little button here that kind of fills in underneath. This gives you kind of a better picture that this is definitely a curve. Okay, this is not a linear relationship. So what we want to do is we want to inspect that, and we want to manipulate our data in a way that allows us to get a linear relationship. Now this is a part of a top opening parabola. And so this top opening parabola tells us that this is a squared relationship. So what that means is that we were to come down here and square this time and then graph the squared time with the position, we would have a linear relationship. Now to do that, we come up here to data and we want a new calculated column. And we're going to rename it to time squared. I'm going to have a T with a superscript 2. And our units are going to be seconds with a superscript of 2. And down here where this expression is, we're going to take our time and we're going to square our time. Now notice that nothing happens. So that's because we still have time graphed down here on our x-axis. So we want to click on this time and make it time squared.